There are actually 5 signs na pwede nating malaman that you're actually doing well financially. Sign 2, you have an emergency fund. Alam mo ba, in the US, 57% of Americans can't afford a $1,000 emergency. Dito sa Pilipinas, ang equivalent dyan is actually quite darker. Kasi based on BSP data, around 51% of Filipino adults are still unbanked. Wala bang bangko. So meaning, wala silang savings account. And even those who do have savings account, a lot of them are just living paycheck to paycheck. So what's actually a good benchmark for the Philippines? Usually, yung sinasabi nila, kung meron kang 1 to 3 months worth of your expenses nakaset aside. And when I say set aside, meaning separate account talaga siya, na hindi mo sinasama yung savings account na ginagamit mo pang araw-araw, you're already ahead of most people. So if we're talking about real numbers, kung kumikita ka ng 60,000 a month as a net income, so bawas na yung mga taxes, mga PhilHealth, SSS, Pag-ibig, mga ganun, and your monthly expenses is just 40,000 pesos, 3 months emergency fund of 120K, okay na yun. 120K lang. And that's actually achievable in under a year kung may sistema ka. So, kung wala ka pang emergency fund, okay lang. It just means that it should be your next target. Pero kung meron ka na, congrats, you are far ahead.